The truth about solo ads exposed. Should you use solo ads in your business, your affiliate marketing business, to generate leads? Let's talk about this here in this video. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if that sounds cool to you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right, so solo ads. What's the deal with solo ads? Should you use them? Should you not use them? Are they good? Are they bad? I've been hearing a lot of talk about this lately from a lot of other marketers, and they talk about solo ads like they're this great, awesome, powerful thing for building your email list. Using solo ads, you can get a lot of leads for cheap and fast. And it sounds like it's almost too good to be true. So what do I think about solo ads? Before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about what a solo ad is and how it works. So a solo ad, basically, it's you're purchasing clicks from another marketer from their email list. So basically, another marketer is going to send out an email to their email list, and it's going to link over to your squeeze page. And then so you're going to get leads onto your email list from that squeeze page. And these clicks are generally pretty cheap. A lot of times you can get leads for about $1 per lead or so, somewhere in there, which is really, really inexpensive as far as generating leads go for paid traffic. So is this good? Well, you might think it's really good to be able to generate a lot of leads quickly for cheap, but here's the truth, is that these leads, think about it. So a solo ad vendor is somebody who sells clicks to other marketers. They're selling not only to you, but they're selling to multiple other marketers. So if somebody comes over from a solo ad, gets onto your landing page and signs up for your email list, chances are very good that they've already signed up for lots and lots of other email lists prior to signing up for yours. So now you've got your work cut out for you of really standing out in that sea of emails in order to really grab their attention. Plus, the other thing to think about that is that they never received any value from you before getting onto your list. I recently saw this post in the Facebook group where somebody was asking for some advice. It's basically saying that, hey, when I get free organic traffic, I get about 80% open rates on my emails, but then when I use solo ads, I only get about 10% open rates on my email list. The reason for that is because when somebody comes over you from free organic traffic, it means they've gotten some value from you up front. For example, you posted in Facebook and they really liked your post, and so they went to find out more, and then they signed up for your email list. They read a blog post that you published, they really liked the blog post, and then they saw you were offering something, some kind of freebie, and they signed up for your email list. Or they saw a YouTube video and they clicked on the link in the description to sign up for the email list. So they got some value from you up front that made them interested in finding out more about you and checking out what else you have. And then they signed up for your email list after that. With a solo ad, it's not that way. With a solo ad, they have no prior experience with you. They come to your squeeze page. They see this headline. They're curious about what the headline says. So they opt in mainly out of curiosity to see what's on the other side of your squeeze page, your funnel. Many of those people then, after they get on the other side, they're really not going to be all that interested in what it is you have to offer, because they're like, oh, I've seen this before, or oh, this is the same thing that so-and-so told me about, or oh, this is, it's the same thing that I'm seeing in all the other funnels that I'm signing up for. So then after that, they're done. They're checking out. They're like, I'm not opening any more of these emails. So you have now a low open rate for your emails. Because you have a low open rate, of course, you have a low click-through rate on the links in the emails, which means you don't have a lot of people checking out your affiliate offers that you're offering in those emails. And then it's very difficult to make sales from there. So we have to kind of take a look at this in a logical kind of way. Like we can look at this through math. A lot of people say that when you're getting these types of leads from something like solo ads, you can expect to make about $1 per month per lead on your email list. So $1 per lead per month is about what you can expect. It could be less, it could be more, it depends on your results, right? But about $1 per month is about about reasonable. It's reasonable. So let's say you're generating leads for about $1 per lead. That means after about a month, you've probably about broken even. If you keep following up with them for a month and you get some people to buy within that first month, you've probably broken even on your ad spend for that solo ad after about a month. That's on a $100 ad spend for 100 leads. Now, then in month 2, then if you continue to follow up and make more sales, then you can make a profit. But here's the thing, is that the longer somebody is on your email list, the colder they get. So are people still going to be paying attention to your emails after 2 months? Right? Because most of the people aren't even opening the emails in the first place with a 10% open rate or a 15% open rate or something low like that. And then after a month of follow-ups and emails from you, that's going to go down to where a lot less of those people are going to open up those emails in the second month. So it's pretty hard to really make a profit with this. It is possible. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm not saying people aren't successful with it, because they are, and it does work. But you got to realize that the value of each lead is low, and that it generally is going to take at least 2 months to 3 months of following up in order to get into profit. And even after that, the value of each lead remains pretty low. Take, on the other hand, content marketing, where you're giving value up front. People, before they even opt into your list, they feel like they know, like, and trust you. And then they go and opt into your list because they want to get more from you. They want to hear more from you. They want to see what else you have to offer. Those people are going to be much more responsive to your emails, not only at the beginning and open at a 30, 40, 50 and up open rate, right? Their open rate is much higher because they got value from you first. That's the thing to consider. What happens before somebody gets onto your list is much more important than what happens after they get on your list. What happens after they get on your list is determined by what experience they had with you before they ever got on the list in the first place. So solo ads, you're not giving value up front, and they're just not very responsive. Content marketing, where you're doing something like you're posting YouTube videos, where you're giving value in your YouTube videos, you're educating, you're inspiring them, you're making them laugh, you're making them cry, you're making them feel, you're making them think, and you're giving valuable advice and tips and strategies. Those people are going to be much more responsive because they got that value before they ever signed up. And then after they sign up, you're going to want to continue to deliver emails that deliver even more value, and also every once in a while have an offer in there in those emails. So it really is. It's much more powerful, I believe, to use free organic content marketing to build hyper-responsive email lists that's smaller, but they actually pay attention to what you say. They actually will open your emails. They actually read your emails and click on the links and check out the content in those links and the offers in those links. So if you have any feedback on this video, I'd really like to hear about it in the comments. Do you use solo ads? What's been your experience with solo ads? What's been your experience with content marketing? Let me know. And if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get more content like this.